How are busy parents able to earn an income online and still be able to create memories with their kids? Here's the honest truth. They are not doing it alone. They have a system that works for them even when they're cooking dinner, spending time with their families, or even when they're on vacation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how they're doing it and what it could mean for you if you're trying to earn an income online. See, every business, they have two things. One, a system, and two, a team. And together, they're able to run a successful online business. So I want you to think about Amazon, McDonald's, or even your local restaurants or your local hair salon. Everyone have a repeatable steps that they have to do every day so that their business can function and be able to run successfully. See, that's exactly why many parents failed when they tried online business, is because they tried to do it on their own without the right system and support, which then lead them to burnout and just giving up on their online business. So if instead of just talking about it, I'm actually going to show you how the system works through a program that I'm part of, where moms and dads, even grandmas, are crushing it online. I mean, take a look at Amy's story right here. Amy's a single mom. She used to work 18 hours a day. So she was literally on the road while her kids was at home. And luckily, she found this program. It had the right system for her, the right support, that she was still able to do this around her family's schedule and be able to earn an income online. And guess what? In a couple months, she was able to walk away from her first job, and then her second, and then her third job. And Amy now is one of the mentors in this program. She's able to earn 4 figures in a week, sometimes even a day, all because she had the right system and support to help her launch an online business that she can do around her family's schedule. And I know what you're thinking, that is too good to be true. There's no way this can work for you also. Well, I am going to walk you through what Amy does and how she's able to do this around her family's schedule. And most importantly, how Amy is able to do this just 2 hours a day. Yes, just 2 hours she's able to do her income activities, and the remainder of the 22 hours she's able to enjoy it with her family. Can you imagine that? Being able to just work 2 hours a day, earn an income online, and you have the remainder of the time with your family. What would you do with that much time on hand? Now, let's go over what Amy does within those 2 hours a day. See, in the first hour, Amy creates 3 videos. And sometimes those 3 videos are like 2 minutes, 7 seconds, or even 1 minute. And within those videos, she basically shares her journey, what the program has done for her family, and some of the new skills that she has learned that could help moms and dads be able to earn an income online and take that step. And 30 minutes of the day, she's able to do this, or maybe around lunchtime, she's able to go back to those videos that she had posted and be able to respond to comments on those videos. And then the last hour and a half of the day, she's able to go live and send out newsletter to emails through the system that she has in place. So now I'm going to walk you through how does that look from just one simple post and how her automated system works for her 24/7. So when Amy posts a video, she would post it on social media, right? So I'm going to put SM for social media. This is her post. And Amy is trained that when she posts, she also gives customer the options to comment for the link for more information. And let's say someone comments for the link, so Amy is able to give that customer the link. So now what happened then is this person will click on the link and it'll take them to enter their email, right? This is their email. And once they enter their email, then it'll take them to where the magic happened. This is the Amy's funnel. And in Amy's funnels, it has 2 videos. And in those 2 videos, it walks this person how this business works and how they're able to make money online, right? Step by step. And let's say this person is interested, then this person will also go back to that funnel, will be directed back to the funnel to check out. And once they checked out, then the blueprint, the person is added to the community, and then they have their own funnel or their automated system set up for them. And then they're ready to duplicate and do the same thing that Amy is doing and earn 100% profit. Now, say for example, this person, once she got to the funnel, she's not sure if this is something for her, then she left. Now, the beauty of this automated system is that it is set up to send that person within the next 30 days, right? Within the 30 days, email daily. And this is already set up through automations right here through Amy's automation. Amy doesn't need to do anything. Her automation in her funnel does this on her behalf 24/7. So let's say this customer will be getting email on a daily basis, reminding her what this is, what great of opportunity this is, and how this can change her life. And then if she decided to check it out again and take that step, same thing, it's going to direct her back to Amy's funnel, and then she'll check out, and then she will be given the blueprint to the community and have that automation set up for her. This is how Amy is able to buy back her time, because from just one post she did, this is her automated system. She didn't have to touch anything when it comes to here. All she needed to focus was creating that post, commenting on that person who asked for more information, and then her automated system works. So now that you see how simple it is, that Amy has a system with the right support to be able to earn an income online. So what does that mean for you? This means you could literally start today with a business already built and ready for you. All you have to do is do what Amy does. Follow the 2-hour workday frame and let your automated system work for you. And the best part is you're not doing this alone. You will be part of the community. You will get help because there is live training happen throughout the week where you can go in and ask questions. So no more guessing, no more trading time for dollars. Now all you have to do is go down to the link below, click on it, and it'll take you to that funnel, and it'll walk you step by step how this works. In fact, you will see 2 videos from Amy's mentor that will walk you through step by step how this works and how you can be able to do this even with a busy schedule. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and keep an eye out on my next video because I'm going to cover what's the difference between active income and passive income. See you on the next one.